You only have a few more days for your exam. I'm sure you are getting anxious and nervous, but what I'll do in this brief clip is share some ideas on how you can make the most over the last few days. By this stage, you should have completed your studies of the Level 1 curriculum, and ideally, you should also have done one full round of review. But if anything is still missing, or if you feel that you are weak in a particular set of readings, then I would recommend that you listen to our high yield videos. This will allow you to catch up on the most important points. At this stage, you really don't have time to get into details. Just make sure that you know at least a little bit about every single reading. You also need to make sure that you remember the key facts and formulas from the Level 1 curriculum. If you've been taking your own notes, identifying the facts and formulas, then I would suggest you look at your own fact and formula sheet. But if you don't have your own sheet, then you can use IFT's key facts and formula sheet. Here we identify the most important facts and formulas from the entire Level 1 curriculum. The most important activity at this stage, however, is practice. If you have done 2 rounds of the curriculum, then you should work through mock exams. There are mock exams on the CFA Institute website. Do those. Take the first mock exam if you've not already done so, and then identify your areas of weakness, address those areas, and then go back and take the second mock exam. If you've already worked through the CFA Institute mock exams and you need more practice, then you can also do the IFT mock exams. In addition to the mock exams, I also want you to do the assessments which are available on the CFA Institute website. And if you need further practice, you can do IFT quizzes which are available for each topic. At this stage, you can also go back and look at the mistakes that you made while doing the practice problems in the curriculum. I want you to do this so that you do not repeat the same mistakes on your actual exam. My final advice here is that these last few days are critical. No matter how hard you have studied, over these last few days, I want you to work as hard as possible and practice as many questions as you can so that you ace the Level 1 exam. That is it for now. Best of luck with your studies.